Do you want to make money woodworking? Well, it might be easier than you think. In this video, I'll share how you can start a woodworking business from home and make more money even if you don't have a lot of woodworking tools, a big fancy shop, or much cash to get started. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and woodworking is a hobby I've enjoyed since I was a kid. Welcome to our shop here at our home on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. The shop takes up one bay of a three-car garage. It's roughly 450 square feet. My buddies call it the man cave, but my wife Barbara spends time out here too. Recently, we bought a lathe and got into turning. She really likes that. We both enjoy making furniture, particularly in the arts and crafts style, and with a couple boats, there are always a few projects to work on. I retired young. I ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer. And you can usually find me in the shop in the evenings and in the months between sailing and skiing. In upcoming videos, I'll be doing a shop tour, as well as videos on equipping your shop on a budget, and I'll be working on projects where I'll share some ideas and hope for some help and feedback too. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, woodworking is a hobby, but recently I started thinking about making money with woodworking. The way the economy is now, a side hustle, doing something I really enjoy, makes a lot of sense. So I started looking into it. There are a lot of excellent woodworking videos on YouTube and several great channels that I have subscribed to. I've kind of become a YouTube junkie, soaking up all the information. And while there are a lot of videos about making money woodworking, they are mostly on the building process with various projects. I felt like I needed more help, especially with the business side of things, to get going and be profitable. Well, not long ago, someone told me about the online training course for starting a profitable woodworking business, and I want to share it with you. If you have been thinking about starting your own woodworking business, either as a part-time side hustle or maybe even to replace a job, this course might be just right for you too. It will show you how to start making money with a home-based woodworking business, even with limited cash. You do not need to be a master woodworker. You do not need a large fancy shop or lots of expensive tools. And even beginner woodworkers can follow this course and be successful. It's something you can do right from home whenever it's convenient for you. You can start small and then scale up as you want. You will learn what woodworking projects to make and how and where to sell them to make the most money. Making the best-selling, most profitable projects is key. Imagine starting out knowing in advance what those projects are. Nothing is left to chance. The course is downloadable and comes with an audio version also. It's easy to follow, easy to learn with. It can all be done at your own pace. What I really like is the course is loaded with marketing strategies to help boost profits, including online methods and resources I hadn't even thought of. It also includes other resources like where to buy materials and tools at discount prices, as well as how to grow both your woodworking and your marketing skills. But probably the most valuable part of the course, the part that I could never figure out on my own, is how to get customers, how to get paid, and make a profit fast. If you are like me, the woodworking part is the easy part. Being profitable fast is where I knew I needed help. The course is a complete step-by-step guide, but what I like best is this is something where I'll have fun doing something I already love. If you are as passionate about woodworking as I am, I know this will make sense. The many testimonials I saw on the website just further convinced me this was right, and it came with a library of craft and furniture plans. I knew I would never run out of profitable projects to build and sell. The course actually cost far less than I expected, and it came with a solid guarantee. For me, it was a no-brainer. When you take a close look, I'll bet you feel the same. So to learn more about how to make money woodworking and to start your own profitable home-based woodworking business, take the online tour at makemoneyworkingwood.com. Again, that's makemoneyworkingwood.com. Go ahead and check it out. I know you'll like it.